In this video, I just wanted to share this new project, and it's these lamp bases that have been rotted out. They were made out of metal and filled with concrete. We did these a few years ago. This is at a friend's house, and they've since rotted out. So we're going to replace that with granite. As you can see, the salt is really taken its toll, and so I think granite is going to fare a lot better than these metal bases, which were really just modified planters that we filled with concrete, which they served a purpose, but I think they've run their course now. The salt of the wintertime and the snow from the Canadian winters really they ravaged just about everything. So here we are in the back in the cutting shop, and I have these pieces prepared for the lamp bases, and you can see that that's how it looks when it's cut. It's a nice shiny black granite that we're going to replace the rotten metal bases with, and that's how it looks when it's been honed. So this is a piece that I cut. I started working on this a while ago when the bases first started to rot, and it's become more of an issue. So we're having a kind of fast track repair of them and the replacement of them. So yeah, I think it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be, obviously you can see the mitered returns, right? So they're going to be fitted together with miters in a box form, and then there's going to be some kind of a cap put together out of the other pieces that we have. So I've got enough already cut for the sides and to form the box part. Okay, so here's the panels dry fit together as I was showing you before, and here they are together. As you can see, they're still a little rough. I have to refine the miters a little bit, but it's taking shape. And what I'll do is I'll put on a 4-inch plinth underneath this, so it'll be like a base 4 inches high. It'll extend past this just slightly to add kind of a nice little detail and widen the bottom just slightly. And I think that'll be a nice way to finish it all off. And then there'll also be a cap on it that will, again, overhang a little bit. It'll probably be built up out of two pieces, maybe be roughly about a couple inches in thickness, because I think we've got some 1-inch stock that we can use. So that yeah, so that just gives you an idea of how it's all coming together. And I got 3 pieces put together. I'm gonna get another one done today, and we'll see how it all goes.